Your phone says the storage is full, but you just deleted a bunch of stuff? The truth is, your phone's storage is lying to you. And here's why. If you think deleting photos is enough, you're missing out on hidden resources that are stealing your space. Your phone's storage can disappear faster than you expect, and it's not always from the files you view. Let's uncover the real culprits. 1. Huge files and heavy apps. High-resolution photos, 4K videos, and massive games can eat up storage like popcorn. Delete or offload unused apps, especially games you've forgotten about. Move your media to cloud storage or your computer before it's too late. 2. Cached data. The silent hogger. All apps save temporary data to run faster, but over time, this cache builds up. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, Storage, right pointing arrow, select App, right pointing arrow, Clear cache, and watch as it instantly frees up space. 3. Hidden app data. Some apps store files, logs, and backups offline that you never used. See. Check the app size in Settings and clear data or reinstall them if they're overloaded. 4. Deleted files that are still hidden. Deleting isn't deleting. They may still be in the recycle bin. Empty it to free up space. 5. System files and updates. Your operating system and updates can take up gigabytes. You can't shrink them, but keeping them up to date keeps everything running efficiently. 6. Storage index glitches. Sometimes your phone just won't update the numbers. A simple restart can fix false storage full warnings. Pro tips for saving storage: use the Files by Google app, or similar, to find duplicate and large files. Back up your photos and videos to Google Photos or the cloud, then delete them from your phone. Keep messaging apps clean. Remove old attachments and videos that are clogging up your chats. Always keep your operating system and apps up to date. If your phone keeps saying, storage full, even after cleaning it, you probably have hidden files you didn't even know existed. If you'd like to learn more about these hidden files, leave a comment below. In my next video, I'll show you the tools I use to clean a phone like a pro.